Vacheron Constantin's grand finale, unveiling 3 stunning ultra-thin perpetual calendar watches. As Vacheron Constantin celebrates its monumental 270th anniversary, the brand has saved the most exquisite surprises for the grand finale. Introducing 3 new Traditionnelle Perpetual calendar ultra-thin models, each a masterpiece in its own right. The journey to the anniversary year. Vacheron Constantin's 270th year has been an extraordinary journey, from the groundbreaking Solaria, the most intricate wristwatch ever, to the captivating La Cuite du Temps clock. Even as the year draws to a close, these new releases showcase the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. The Unveiling, 3 timeless treasures. Measuring a delicate 36.5 mm, these QPs are a testament to Vacheron's craftsmanship. The case, a mere 8.43 mm thick, houses the in-house developed calibre 1120 QP, a self-winding masterpiece. With a 40-hour power reserve and a frequency of 2.75 Hz, this movement is a true work of art. The calendar display, a classic traditional layout, is both elegant and functional. Month, date, day, and a moon phase indicator are presented with precision, requiring no correction until the year 2100. A true testament to Vacheron's attention to detail. A dilemma of gold, pink, or white? The choice between pink gold and white gold models is a delightful dilemma. The pink gold version exudes a harmonious elegance, with its bezel and indices in perfect unison. However, the white gold model with gem-set accents adds a touch of luxury and sparkle. But here's where it gets controversial. The non-gem-set white gold version retains pink gold markers and hands. A deliberate design choice, perhaps, but one that leaves us wondering about the allure of a fully white gold execution. Could it be the ultimate expression of this design? A year-end triumph. As the year winds down, these releases are a testament to Vacheron's ability to save the best for last. With a retail price starting at $100,000, these watches are a fitting tribute to the brand's milestone year. A true collector's dream, these Traditionnelle Perpetual calendar ultra-thin models are a masterpiece of horology. The details at a glance. Brand, Vacheron Constantin. Model, Traditionnelle Perpetual calendar ultra-thin. Reference numbers, 4300T/000GH106, white gold, 4300T/000RH107, pink gold, 4305T/000GH135, gem-set white gold. Diameter, 36.5 mm. Thickness, 8.43 mm. Case material, 18K white gold/18K5 and pink gold, gem-set version with diamond accents. Dial color, silver-toned opaline. Indexes, 18K5 and pink gold, non-gem-set, /18K white gold, gem-set. Water resistance, 30 m 3 bar. Strap, Mississippiensis alligator leather, dark blue, light brown, or dark blue. Movement, caliber 1120 QP. Functions, hours, minutes, perpetual calendar, moon phase. Power reserve, approximately 40 hours. Price, $100,000, non-gem set, $102,000, gem set. Availability, now. Limited edition, no. For more information, visit Vacheron Constantin's website. And this is the part most people miss. These watches are not just about the technical specifications. They are a celebration of craftsmanship, a testament to the brand's legacy, and a delight for any watch enthusiast. What do you think? Is this the perfect way to end a remarkable anniversary year? Share your thoughts in the comments.